Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25, S25 Plus or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone to OneUI 8.5 to have all of the latest and the best OneUI features on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So here we go. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or you got unlimited mobile data plan, because the OneUI 8.5 software package is pretty huge in size, nearly 4.5 GB. Once you are connected to the Wi-Fi, all you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down, go to the bottom, and here you will find an option called software update. Just tap on this. Then on the next page you will find an option called download and install. Tap on that, and then it will start checking whether any software update is available for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. And as you can see here, the OneUI 8.5 is available for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you want to know what all changes this particular software update is going to bring to your device, then you can tap on this all changes option here, and here is the full change log. As you can see, it's a long list of all of the new features that OneUI 8.5 will bring to your smartphone. If you just scroll a bit down, here you can have a look on the OneUI version, that's 8.5, and the software package 4405 megabytes. So that's pretty huge software package. All you have to do is now just tap on update button, and then it will start downloading the software package and installing it on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. Here you can see it is saying downloading and installing, and here you can check the status update. So app update is going on. After that, verification of the downloaded software package will happen, and then the device will reboot and you will get the OneUI 8.5 installed on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So now the downloading as well as verification of the software package is completed. Now you got two options. If you want to restart your device right now, then you can tap on restart now button, and if you would like to schedule the installation process of the software package, then you can tap on the schedule restart. I'm going to just tap on restart now button. Now the device will reboot and installation of the software package will be completed after that. So here you can see all of the new Galaxy AI features, except all of the terms and conditions for the Samsung account. It will give you the option to turn on the discovery feed on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or whatever Samsung Galaxy smartphone you got. You can tap on turn on discover, or you can just tap on not now. It's discover, not discovery. You're all set, and once again you can tap on see what's new to know more about the OneUI 8.5 features, or you can just tap on home to go to the home directly. So now the installation is fully completed. Now if I go to the settings, once again scroll down, go to the software update section, then you can see it is updated to OneUI 8.5, and that's the latest one. There's nothing else to download and install on our device now. So this is how you can update your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone to the latest OneUI 8.5. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.